Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure updates are installed, because mismatched firmware causes pairing failures. Next, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, or set your phone as a hotspot if your console needs internet access. Open the official companion app on your phone and sign in to the same account used on the console. This step links profiles. Once done, follow the app's prompt to search for devices and allow pairing requests. Accept permissions so auto discovery works smoothly. Once your app is searching, put the console into pairing or remote play mode. Consoles show a code on screen. You enter that code in the app or confirm the matching code on both devices because that verifies identity and prevents accidental connections. Make a conscious choice. Local Wi-Fi gives the lowest latency, whereas your phone's hotspot adds convenience but can increase lag and data use. If you need higher quality, switch to 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks and prioritize the console in router co-S settings. You finish by testing controls, audio, and video for a few minutes. This confirms everything is routed correctly. If you see stutter or latency, first switch both devices to a 5 GHz band, close background apps on the phone, and move closer to the router. These reduce interference. If problems persist, try a wired adapter or tethering for stability. As a last resort, revoke the app's authorization on the console and repair. This clears corrupt pair records and often fixes stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.